Good morning. All right, it's Sunday. Melissa's about to go for her run. I'm actually gonna ride my bike alongside of her while she goes. All right, I think I'm all set there. There she is. We're about ready to go. Bring my backpack because I've got a couple of things I need to bring along with me and it might rain. Man, look at that. Holy cow. Let's see if we can get that. It's pretty weird.
For Phoenix.
It's almost alien-like over there. Hey, darling.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Hi. We're like not even a mile from the house and it's already starting to rain. What's a little water, right? It's not gonna really hurt. Alright, Melissa's done her run. How's your run been so far? Good? Alright. So your run's been good so far?
Yeah,
Good.
I've got a 5K left.
5K left?
Each mile has felt better.
And for some reason I have a feeling that it's just going to pour down on us again on the way back.
Wonderful.
Oops. I thought they were going. All right, we're back in the neighborhood here. We do have to grocery shop today. It's been like 3 weeks since we've actually gone grocery shopping. Not that we haven't eaten food, obviously, but we've just been so busy. That's kind of a fun trip. I actually enjoy grocery shopping. Okay, so we're heading out for lunch now. I think we're gonna go back downtown and go to the Liberty Market. Oh, it's starting to drizzle again. Sweet. I like all this rain. We gotta get gas first.
But first, I must turn on the luminaires.
Luminaires. All right, we're here. We're actually parked right next to Liberty Market, but just wanted to show you guys this. I think I'm in the mood for, I forget the name of that one with the brie cheese in it. It's got like turkey and gosh, what did you just find?
A carrot cake.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
I know, those cinnamon rolls are so good.
Picnic salad sandwich. Picnic salad. Enjoy.
All right, thank you. That was really good. Gone. Not so much. Soup's still there. Melissa didn't finish her meal. No dessert for you. Hey, that was a really good lunch. Always love coming to this place. Pretty cool. Oh, it's raining again. For Phoenix to have like an entire day where it's just kind of drizzling all day, that's absolutely fantastic. I love this kind of day. Here we go.
It has just enough cream in it.
Hey, dog. And we're off to, I think, Costco first, and then to the grocery store. All right, so we're done with Costco, and the sunset should be pretty nice tonight. So we came over to this park that's like right next to Costco. That was definitely worth it. There's nothing like Arizona sunsets. Arizona sunsets are definitely the best. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, they're nice.
All right, and we're finally at the grocery store. Time to get this done, and then we can go home, relax, and watch some YouTube. Yeah?
Tasty.
Little Casey Neistat
Yes.
later? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, the inspiration for this.
And I don't even really like watching TV all that much, but I like watching Casey.
Yeah, well, I think a lot of people do.
Yeah, I think so. Like
5 million subscribers. Okay, we're done. Let's go home and put the groceries away. And then we can just kind of hang back and relax. Before we drive home, we have to show you the cool blue lights. It's like party time in here. Oh. Well, I guess I'll kind of wrap this up here. Hopefully you guys like this. I know this is a little bit different than our last couple of vlogs. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of a day in the life type of situation. We had a nice rainy day in Gilbert, which is very rare for us. We're just gonna wind down now for the day and watch some TV, I guess, and then go to bed. What do you think, Melissa? How was today?
Very relaxing and calm.
And calm, yeah.
I feel good.
Yeah, it was kind of nice. So hopefully you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, comments, just go ahead and just post below, and don't forget to subscribe. If there's anything you guys want to see or any questions that you have for me, just let me know.